remember when I was about 8 or 9 years old, I got taken to Hamlin's for the first time, which at the time was one of the largest toy stores in the world in London. And I was incredibly excited for days before, and obviously actually living the experience. Well, I feel like that here in this ranch, which is running 100% off grid. Right now, we have 8 fans running in this area. We have a fridge, and we have another 2 ceiling fans running in another area. And in fact, although I'm not going to show you because it's a long way away, we have 2 air conditioners running in 2 of the bedrooms. But you'll notice there's very little noise. There is no noise of a generator, right? This generator is off. This big generator is not running. So where's all the power coming from? Let's go take a look. So here we are. That little tiny noise is just the cooling fans in these inverters. We've got 2 Solarc hybrid inverters, and we've got 2 Blue Planet battery cabinets. Beautiful system, and allowing this client to live comfortably off-grid in practically birdsong silence. Thinking about adding solar to one of your projects? Please give us a call and we'll be pleased to work with you to make that a reality. If you enjoy this content, please give us a nice big thumbs up and think about subscribing to the channel where you can see more content like this. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.